am so happy that you are here. Welcome to my at-home spa routine. I am super excited to share this video with you guys because this is a routine that I've been doing for, oh my gosh, seems like absolute years. It is a little treat, a little something that I like to make sure I try to do at least every other week for myself, whether I'm feeling sore from the gym, stressed from work, or just that my skin needs a little bit of love, or I just need a little bit of time to myself. I'm super excited because today's video is sponsored by PMD Beauty. I'm going to be sharing some of the tools that I've been using from them lately, and they are amazing. You guys know I've been struggling with my skin lately for the past couple of months, and incorporating PMD into this routine and putting all of this together into an at-home spa routine just really makes me feel less stressed and just good about myself. So I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to be highlighting a couple of products that I've been loving recently. This is the DermaDoctor KP Scrub. It is absolutely amazing. It works so well on getting rid of chicken skin or keratosis pilaris or bumpy skin, and it leaves your skin so soft. It also works on razor bumps as well. I then like to do a mask in my hair. This is the OGX Mermaid mask. I'm just going to put it all up in there and I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes. So I leave that mask in for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm going to jump in the shower. Are you guys like me? Do you feel like you need to shower after you take a bath? I don't know. I do it all the time and I feel like that is just like a thing. Like, I don't know. I love the bath, but I feel like I need to take a shower right after. So I'm gonna get all of that scrub off my body, get the mask out of my hair, shave, do all the good stuff. Let me know if you guys want like a shower routine and like how I get ready for maybe like a date night. Let me know. Once I get out of the shower, I'm going to do a classic part of my routine, which is some lotion all over my body. This is one of my favorites. It's the Sol de Janeiro lotion. And if you smelled it, oh, so good. Then we're going to move on to my skin. As I mentioned, you guys know I've been struggling with my skin a little bit lately. So doing this routine is an absolute treat. And this is where PMD comes in. Did you hear that? Those are all of the vibration settings on the PMD Clean. This is specifically the PMD Clean Gemstone. I love the gemstone side. I'll show you how I use that in just a second. But first, we're going to start with cleansing our face. And I'm going to use the brush side. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty cleanser, which I've been really liking recently. And I'm going to use the brush side to really get this cleanser to clean and exfoliate my face, and we're going to be opening up those pores with also a facial steamer as well. I'm then going to take all the cleanser off with a warm towel, and then we're going to move on to our next step. So now I'm going to use the PMD Personal Microderm, and basically what this does, and I'll show you all the little pieces. So when you screw off the top, you're going to have this little exfoliating piece, and I recommend that you guys start with the white one, and just so that your skin can get used to it. And then you have the black filter in there, and you want to clean all of these pieces when you're completed too. But basically this is going to get all the gook out of those pores. It's got two settings. It's got a low setting and a high setting. Start on the low setting, try it on your arm, try it on your skin first to see how your skin reacts to it. And you're gonna do this like once a week max. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull our skin taut, and then we're just going to pull quickly. So it's gonna suction to our skin, and then we're just gonna pull it quickly away from our face. So in all the parts of your face, you're going to pull it away. And this is really going to help kind of exfoliate our skin and also clear our skin, getting out all of that. I like to call it gook. Gook is the right word. And then I'm going to actually put on one of the PMD face masks on. This face mask is called the Recovery Anti-Aging Collagen Infused Sheet Mask. So it's going to help hydrate our skin, providing a protective barrier, and it's going to instantly calm our skin too. We are taking care of our skin, but sometimes doing all of these things can irritate our skin too. So having that extra collagen and calmness can really help to just calm the skin from redness or anything like that. I then like to give myself a little facial massage, and it's just the most relaxing thing in the entire world. So I do that while the sheet mask is on. And once I've left it on for about 15-ish minutes, I'm then going to rub all the serum into my face, and then I'm going to go in with a oil, and this is a rosehip oil. It is supposed to help with scarring. This, my friends, is where the gemstone comes into place. This gemstone PMD clean actually starts to heat up a little bit and get a little warm. You can literally see it in my face. It's the most relaxing thing ever. So I'm going to use this side to just massage my face a little bit more and also get that oil into my skin. And the warmth, oh, it is amazing. All right, guys, that's it for my at-home spa routine. A super, super quick hour of your day to just relax and have time to yourself. I really, really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your spa routine is like at home. Comment it down below. And thank you so much to PMD for being a part of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have the chance to try out some of their products. Make sure to see the description down below for all the information that you want and you need. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.